Barbie color review. This is series 2. Are you excited to know which doll is inside? Let's open the box. Yes, this is the doll which I wanted. You have to look at me. Hooray, it's my doll! Let's see which doll are here. Let's open the doll now. Let's fill water out in here. Let's put the doll inside the water and then we'll wait for the magic to come. Here's a popcorn doll! Always keep the towel ready for the doll to get dry. Look at my popcorn doll! Yay! Let's open all the packets one by one. It's a head! Let's open the next packet. It's a skirt! Let's open the next packet. It's a shoe! Let's open the next packet. It's a sponge. Her hair smells like popcorn. Let's put on her skirt first. Now let's put on the shoes. Isn't she pretty? Let's do makeup for her.
Like, ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right? Ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like
I hope you love my doll friend. See you in the next video. When she wants to go to swim, she can take out the skirt and go in the water. But she looks like a popcorn girl.
I hit record and drop you.